Hi, this is Jonathan from the Unicane. With the Arduino Nano, today we are going to build a simple circuit that will provide both flashing and fading effects. In this project, I'll be using jet green LEDs, whose rating is 3 volt. The Arduino Nano that will be programmed with the Arduino IDE software. So let's get started. Since I want to control two different parts, some LEDs from the first part will be arranged in parallel. And as well as those from the second part. I have to test to see if the connections are okay. Then later I'll have to join the ground and two different control wires, one from the first part and another from the second part, and get them connected to the microcontroller. Effectively, we are done with the circuit. So let's go to the software part. I'll start with the declaration of pins. Third red pin will be on the output IO pin 3, another 4. Fade delay on, that will be the time taken for fading on, as well as on off, but in off mode. Flash delay on, that will be the time taken for flashing on and on off, 100. Hope you are getting it. Now coming to the void setup, here I'm going to declare the pins that will be used as output or input, but in this case I only have output pins. Now in void loop, remember I'm going to have two different loops. So I'll be calling one loop after the other. I called one loop blink codes, another fade codes, so that we get a clear difference between them. I'll start with blink codes, then go to fade codes, for int I equal 0, I less than 20, I will increment. This means that as I'm declaring the digital right fed red pin that is going to be high, it will provide effects in 20 times. By following the flash delay on time, now 7 times I'm pasting, but I have to keep in mind that I will change according to the line on which I'm going on. Now I paste, but I keep in mind that I have also to change the pin, because one will blink, another one blink, one will blink after the other. And again I pasted the first part because I want the initial part to be the final blinking part again. Just add in the comments so that you'll understand it. Now, as I was done with the void blink, I'm going to the void fade. I will also use for loop. Remember, when you write int, you can write any word you want next to it. It's just a declaration. So I wrote this value equals to 0. If this value is less or equal to 255, that is the number of brightness level. This value will increment by 5. Analog write. Remember, fading seems to be analog, so it's a continuous effect. That's why fade pin will provide the changes that are happening in the range of 0 to 255, but in the fade delay time. So I'm pasting this part, but now I have to keep in mind that the effect now is reversed, because when it is from 0 to 255, now it will increment from 255 to 0. Remember, it's incrementing by 5, not by 1. So I'm testing the same thing because I want it to happen often, like 5 times. I'm pasting 5 times, as I have said it. Here I want to add one more thing. Remember, on the last blinking part I had said that I want the initial part to repeat, but now I need it to repeat, but with the reverse action, which means that if fade red pin is high, the yellow pin will be low at the same time. And again, fade red pin, when it becomes low, fade yellow pin will be high. Now I'm done with the software. Now let's see the results. So guys, I hope you got the tutorial useful. If so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share to get the new updates. See you in the next videos.